So today we are going to learn what are negative sentences. Alright, so first of all, let's learn the spelling of negative and then sentences. So what is the spelling of negative? N-E-G-A-T-I-V-E, negative. Sentences, S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S, negative sentences. The first thing that comes to our mind reading these two words is, what is negative sentence? So what are negative sentences? So negative sentences are sentences that are negative. ये हमेशा negative ही रहते हैं. Second, they are the opposite of positive sentences. They are the opposite. Opposite का meaning क्या होता है? किसी भी word का उल्टा. For example, hot, cold. All right. Number 3, they express an opposite idea. So they express what? Opposite idea. Negative sentences are formed by adding the word not after the helping verb like am, is, are, was and were. So जो negative sentences होते हैं वो हमेशा कैसे form होते हैं? Not से. Alright? And this not always comes after the helping verb. किसके बाद आता है? Helping verb. और कौन कौन से वो helping verb हैं? Am, is, are, was and were. Now let's learn what are helping verbs. Helping verbs help the main verb to describe an action. So helping verb helps the main verb to describe an action. For example, I am playing. In this sentence, what is the main verb? Dancing. And what is the helping verb? Am. I've already underlined it for you. In the second sentence, it says Rohan is playing. So where is the verb? Playing. And where is the helping verb? Is. So helping verbs help the main verb to describe an action. Here you can see am is helping dancing and here is helping playing. What are negative sentences again? Let's revise. Negative sentences are negative in nature. They are the opposite of positive sentences and they express an opposite idea. Now let's understand it with few examples. For example, I am not hungry. In this sentence, not is a negative word. And where is the helping verb? Am. Second sentence, they are not going to school. So where is the negative word? Not. And where is the helping verb? Are. So children, now let's more about it. So sentences are of two types. Number 1, positive sentences or affirmative sentences, and the other one is negative sentences. So how many types of sentences? We have two types of sentences. Number 1, positive sentences or affirmative sentence, and the other one is negative sentences. So now let's learn more about both the sentences. Let's learn about positive or affirmative sentences. So positive sentences or affirmative sentences are positive by nature. They don't have any negative words like no or not in them. So they don't have any negative words. They don't have any negative words like no or not in them. Alright? For example, I am hungry. She can do it. We are good friends. It may rain today. So you have to keep this in mind, children, that positive or affirmative sentences are positive in nature, वो positive होते हैं, और उनमें कभी भी no और not ऐसी words उनमें नहीं होते हैं. Okay, so they don't have no or not in them. Second type of sentence is negative sentences. So negative sentences are negative in nature. They always have negative words in them, like no or not. So children, they have negative words in them, and that is no or not. Now for example, I am not hungry. She cannot do it. We are not good friends. It may not rain today. So where are the negative words here? In the first sentence, I am not hungry. Not is the negative word. Second sentence, she cannot do it. Where is the negative word? That is cannot. Third sentence, we are not good friends. Again, not. And the fourth sentence, it may not rain today. Not is the negative. So now let's learn more about negative sentences, and that is negative sentences in present continuous or past continuous tense, that is the ing form. तो अब हमें क्या करना है? We have to convert. हमको positive sentences को negative sentences में convert करना है in present continuous or past continuous form में. That is the ing form. Okay, now here are a few examples. I am driving my car. So here I have used two color pens. The blue one is the positive sentence and the red one here is the negative sentence. So let's talk about the first sentence, that is I am driving my car. So this is the positive sentence. Now we have to convert it in present continuous or past continuous tense, that is in ing form. I am not driving my car. Another example, she is running fast. Now, negative sentence, she is not running fast. Third sentence says, he was selling fruits. The negative sentence is, he was not selling fruits. Now, how we have to change the positive sentence into negative sentence in present continuous or past continuous tense in ing form. So here you have to do like this. First you have to write the subject, then the helping verb, then not, and then the present participle, that is the ing form. I have taken this example, I am not driving the car. So here first we have to put the subject. So here subject is I. Now then helping verb, where is the helping verb? Am. Then you have to use not to make it a negative sentence, and then present participle, that is the ing form, that is driving the car. Now let's talk about negative sentences in present simple or past simple tense. So whenever we are talking about present simple or past simple tense, we use do, does or did. So these are the words that is do, does, did we use in present simple or past simple tense. So whenever we are converting positive sentence into negative sentence, okay, in present simple or past simple tense, we use do, does and did. So now how we have to convert it? First of all, we have to write the subject, then the helping verb, then not, and then the base form. For example, Ravi sang a song. So the negative sentence is Ravi did not sing a song. So here Ravi is the subject, did is the helping verb, not we have we have taken from here, and the base form is sing a song. Another type of sentence is sentences containing have, has, or had. So we have to change them into negative sentence by using have, has, or had. Now, how are we going to change it? First of all, we have to write the subject plus has, have, or had. Then we have to use no and then the rest of the subject. Now, what is no here? No is another negative word which means not any. So no is another negative word. तो no भी एक another negative word है जिसका क्या meaning होता है? Not any. For example, I have a mobile. Now we are changing into negative sentence, that is I is the subject, have is this part, then we have used no, and then the rest part of the sentence. Second sentence says they had a car. Now we have changed it into negative sentence. They had no car. The third sentence says he has a pen. We have changed it into he has no pen. So children, what is a negative sentence? Let's revise once again. Negative sentences are negative in nature. They always have negative words in them like no or not. Alright children, so don't forget to watch this video again and again for more clarifications. Alright, and the more you see it, the more you will understand.